In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to key green or blue screen in Nuke using IBK Color and IBK Gizmo. We'll walk through building a clean background plate, pulling a detailed matte, and compositing your subject over a new background, all with a clear, repeatable workflow. Start by bringing your green or blue screen footage into your script. Make sure you're looking at a representative frame, ideally one that shows typical spill and shadows. Consistent exposure and an evenly lit screen will make this process much easier. Next, add an IBK Color node by pressing Tab and searching for IBK Color. Connect your footage to its input. IBK Color is designed to help you build a clean background plate by analyzing and averaging the color of your screen. This plate is the foundation for a strong key, so it's worth spending a moment to get it right. Use the color picker in IBK Color to sample your screen. Choose a patch of pure screen that's close to your subject but not contaminated by shadows, wrinkles, or spill on clothing. If your screen varies across the frame, sample an area that best represents the majority of it. Now adjust the patch size. A larger patch size averages a wider area, which helps smooth noise and minor variations. A smaller size preserves local detail if your screen is very even. The goal is a uniform, solid color plate with no traces of your subject bleeding into it. Tweak the balance and any related sliders until the background plate looks smooth and consistent. Think of this plate as a template that IBK Gizmo will use to distinguish foreground from background. If you push it too far, you may erase subtle edge details. If you don't push it far enough, the plate may remain blotchy. Connect the output of IBK Color into an IBK Gizmo node. IBK Gizmo compares your original footage to the clean plate and generates the matte. Switch your viewer to the alpha channel to evaluate the result clearly. You want solid whites for your subject, solid blacks for the screen, and crisp, natural edges. Within IBK Gizmo, refine the matte by adjusting thresholds, black and white points, and fine edge controls. Preserve hair and motion blur while cleaning noise in the background. Avoid over-choking edges. It's better to keep delicate detail and clean it subtly than to clip it away. Once you're happy, pre-mulch your footage to apply the matte, then composite it over your new background. Use a merge over and check edges at 100%. If needed, gently adjust color and exposure to match the background.